market, how you should do, along with the trading psychology. And then afterwards, one day in a week, most probably on Wednesday or Thursday, all of you have an online class where you will be online. You can join me from your home offices or anywhere, where we're gonna talk about some advanced topics, right? Because this is a place, it has immense potential of the knowledge. You can't get everything in 2 days. But on 2 days, what I promise that you will start from this point and you will complete the circle. After those 2 days, you don't need to study anything anywhere, first of all. You don't need to do any other course, you don't need to see any YouTube videos, and you will get all the information which you need as a trader. No bullshit. The kind of applied things what you need to make money rather than theory. No theory, application. And now you have a lifetime mentorship who are in our academy, first of all. So this is for this technical and fundamental analysis. And in this you will have this all the basics, how to select quality companies, when to buy, when to sell, specifically all this level trading and the channel trading and all those. Trading psychology, I will also speak about some of my specific high probability strategies, how you can make money. And we'll prepare a plan specific to individuals because every individual is different. Your personality, your risk and reward is completely different from the rest of gentlemen, right? So you need a special trading plan. Like आप कोई टाटा स्टील का प्लान करना चाहते हो, आप एक रियल एस्टेट की कंपनी खोलना चाहते हो, तो आप दोनों के प्लान्स डिफरेंट होंगे. एक कोई एक प्लान नहीं सब कोई वर्क करेगा. Accordingly, we have this options, advanced options program, and this I will recommend everyone first to go through with the basic one, basic, advanced, and technical and fundamental analysis. Because this is this advanced options. I want everyone you to have this information, but understand them. You should have to have a good understanding of the technical and the fundamental analysis. Then only you will. And all the principles are the same, but it would be better if you know this, then you come to this as per your time and the. So in this we are going to discuss advanced options, how you can have your portfolio, advanced option strategies, and as I said, depending upon whether you are conservative or an aggressive trader, you should go for the different option strategies. And rest of the things are same. This as well. One day in a week we're gonna speak about the advanced topic, and one day in a week at specific time you have the opportunity to speak with me, but 1 hour in a week depending upon my schedule. So if you have any problem you can speak directly to me on a designated day, on a designated time. And this is, you have seen what you can achieve from this. 20 to 40% growth in your portfolio, 5 to 10% in your intraday. You can invest part-time, full-time. Basically, you will get your huge profits by getting this big moves as our level trades. You can make money when the stock price is going down. How you can trade the derivative market with the risk and reward in place. So here, you develop the scientific understanding about the market. You learn the art of investing and trading consistently, profitably. Multiple time frame analysis, and the most important, how you can minimize your risk and maximize your profits. Right? You have another option if you want to trade live with me. I'll trade live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. For my academy traders, I have given this flexibility as we are not providing any tips or recommendations. But you can see me and you can copy my trades. Whatever I'm doing, you can do the same, right? But you should understand, I'm working on the futures. My investments are big, but accordingly you can do stocks with the less investments. But the thing is, as I said, knowledge and the skill. If you do this thing on a real-time basis in front of the screen where you put all your emotions in place, then you will try to find out what's the problem you are having. आपके अंदर कौन सा इमोशंस भारी पड़ रहा है, कौन सा इमोशंस आपको डिसिप्लिन में नहीं रख रहा है. So for that you can join this, and this is, you know, all these courses are, these courses are absolutely free if you consider the cost of hosting and all those things, because I have to pay a certain USD amounts for these recordings and the hosting. That is the cost only, nothing else. But yeah, but the thing is, I have seen how people are actually. Anyways, that's not the point. But this is the thing which I have planned so far for Indian stock market investors and the traders. And we have an office in Kanpur, but I'm more or less we are actually establishing our offices in Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, and Lucknow as well. All the offices are ready, but I'm just trying to find out the time for myself to go there and establish them. But we have a consulting person over there, and if people are interested to trade overseas markets, US markets and UK markets, then we will also provide the facility, because I have 2 offices who are trading in that. So you can do also the international investments, and in India if you want your local investments, you can do from our offices here in India. These are 4 to 5 offices. Most of the information you can go out and find out from our websites, and we have a team. You can talk with them, speak with them, and if you have any particular questions, you can come to see me in the channel. Right? I hope.